burpees, start standing tall. Drop your hands on the floor while bending your knees. When your palms touch the floor, jump your feet back and do a push-up. While pushing back up, jump your feet forward and the jump straight off the ground. Next exercise, push-up. Position yourself on the floor with your face down. Your palms on the floor, shoulder width apart, and feet touching the ground. When you are ready to start, push yourself up. Next exercise, wide push-up. Position yourself on the floor with your face down. Your palms on the floor, shoulder width apart, and feet touching the ground. When you are ready to start, push yourself up. Next exercise, box push-ups. Start on your hands and knees with your hands placed a little wider than shoulder width apart. Then lower your body down and go back up. Repeat. Next exercise, raised legs push-ups. Start in a push-up position. Raise your left leg. Then lower your chest towards the floor. Pause and push back up to a starting position. Then do the same with right leg. Next exercise, cobra. Lie face down on the floor. Put your palms on the floor beneath your shoulders. Engage your back muscles as you curl the chest up away from the floor and support the shape with your arms. Please subscribe my channel Exercise Zone and like, comment, share. See you in the next video.